Hey everyone, it is Tam over here at HaulandCo, and I have a video for you, which is our nightly kitchen cleanup routine. I'm not for sure about you, but at the end of the day, I am tired, and this isn't my favorite thing to do, but do what we can. Let's get it done so we can start the day fresh and the kitchen's picked up. Let's get going. I have to say, unloading the dishwasher is my least favorite task of all. I'm usually lucky, and Andrea does this for me a lot because this is not my favorite thing. Wash dishes all day, I'm good. Unload the dishwasher, not so much. Heating in this video is not great. It is really hot here in St. Louis, and we have our fan running in the kitchen just so it's bearable. Didn't have a lot of lights on. It was getting dark. I really pushed this and put it off to the last minute, but I felt so much better once I got it actually completed. Right here, you guys, is real life. I'm not for sure about your family, but we are all horrible about putting our dishes in the sink with our food still in them. It always seems like an easy way just to clear off the table at the time, but then it ends up being a real pain when it's time to do dishes. Ready to show you a meat tenderizer I actually got through Pampered Chef. This thing is amazing, and it's really heavy. We use it actually when we make hamburgers or grill hamburgers because it actually will weigh the hamburger patty down. If you do not have one, you know someone who sells Pampered Chef, I would recommend getting one. right, guys, we're getting there. I've got the dishwasher unloaded, the dishes done. I am getting ready to put away leftovers. So here we go. Guys have watched me for a long time. You've got it. You know where that little piece is going. Yum. A bit of time that passed that I stopped recording videos, we did have to get new appliances. You know the story of our refrigerator, that is in some old videos, but we ended up getting a new stove and a new microwave only because the ones we had started falling apart. I'm pretty happy with this purchase, and they look really great when they're actually clean. And everybody should have a great husband who gets out the vacuum and vacuums for you. We actually picked up this little lightweight vacuum at Sam's Club. It is a Shark, and it is awesome. It has a great power. It was inexpensive, and it is so easy to get out when we need it. It is lightweight. Since I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, it is just really easy on my hands. So I would highly recommend checking it out. The big bulky vacuum, vacuuming up was not the easiest thing to do on a daily basis, but since we got this new vacuum, it makes it a whole lot easier. It just sits on a charger until we're ready to use it. We decided to go ahead and kind of go over the living room. Everyone's home during the day, and our dogs have been tearing up paper like crazy. I'm not for sure where they get it. They will drag it out of any trash can. So everybody loves a nice vacuum floor and a Boston. All right, everyone, that is all I have for you on this video. I hope you liked it. I'm trying to give you a view of everything all picked up and fresh and clean, and we're ready to start the next day. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I have links posted below where you can find me.